Okay, so let's check out the nursery. All right, so we have kale. Down here we have watermelon. That is coffee. Over here we have carrots, but they haven't sprouted yet. We have papaya, beans, and I believe, what else is this? What is this? This is, you know what? I will come back to that. These are collard greens. This is broccoli rabe. This, I think this is a mango tree.
Hello everybody, thank you all so much for stopping by. My name is Jonathan and this is Homestead Foodie, a cooking show that takes place right here on my family's homestead. And today I'm reaching deep into the pantry and I'm pulling out a pantry staple, steel cut oats. Now, if you don't like oats, this is the show for you. I will show you how to take steel cut oats and make them so delicious that you will actually want to eat them. Trust me, I know what I'm doing. I've done this plenty of times. Stick around and I hope you enjoy.
Okay, so we're starting off with 24 ounces of water. And to that, we're adding 171 grams of steel cut oats. So as you can see, it's starting to come to a boil. And once it hits a rolling boil, turn it down. Okay, so I'm going to turn it down. This is going to take about 30 minutes or so. So you want to check on it. Do not cover this, because if you cover this, it will overflow. Trust me. So come back, check on it every 5 to 10 minutes or so. And it should take about 30 minutes altogether before it's done. All right, so I'll come back and check. All right, so I am back for a check. Yeah, everything's coming along. The water's starting to absorb into the steel cut oats. Everything's looking good. Not done yet, so I'll check back in a bit. Okay, so I'm back for a check. Stirring it, yeah, we're getting there. Starting to come together. Not done quite yet. Don't be afraid to turn down the heat if need be. Again, we're trying to get this to the best consistency possible. A little bit more time, but we're almost there. All right, so I'm back for what I'm thinking will be my final check, given the way this looks. And yeah, it feels right. All right, now let's give it a taste. Oh, that's it. That's ready to go. It's nice, it's chewy, great mouthfeel. Okay, so now we're going in with 25 grams of unsalted butter. If you have salted butter, that's fine as well. Just balance out your salted butter with the salt that's going in after you put your butter in. Just make sure that you don't over salt it. Now I'm going in with half a teaspoon of an extremely strong sea salt. This is actually a sea salt that is locally produced. And it's delicious, but it's so strong that you can't go too crazy with it. It will oversalt your dish. I will leave in the ingredients list the measurements for a much more readily available salt. So let me give that a taste to see if I need to adjust. Nope. I'm getting the salt. I'm getting my butter. Very tasty. All right.
Now it's time to add more layers of flavor and depth, so it'll be something so good you'll actually want to eat it.
All right, so it's time to plate. I'm going in first with our creamy oatmeal, ready to go. Dropping that in the bowl. Chopped up cranberries. Put those across the top. Adding our walnuts. Oh yes, put those walnuts. And to that, we're going to add our apples. These are Fuji apples. Gala also works, but Fuji is what I currently have, so that's what's going on. Nutmeg, seasoned to taste. A little across the top. Cardamom, also seasoned to taste. A little across the top. Finish it off with cinnamon. Now the cinnamon I really lean into. That's going to be the predominant spice. All right. We hit that with some finishing salt. We go in with our maple syrup across the top. Across the top. This is about 1.25 ounces, but as everything else, you can put in as much as you like or as little. And for the final touch, some fresh orange zest. Fresh orange zest. That is that. Take your spoon, mix that all up. Let's give it a taste. Let's see what we have. Oh boy, that's it. That is good stuff, my friends. Oh, it's delicious. You get the butter, you get the salt, you get the fresh apple, and then you get that orange zest that just lifts everything up. Really good. Definitely try this. Trust me, I've made this many times. It is well worth the effort. Well, that's my time today, folks. My name's Jonathan. This has been Homestead Foodie. Try this, trust me, it is so good. And until I see you guys next time, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you later.